Our aeration, seed, and starter fertilizer service is the perfect service for our clients who have a generally healthy lawn, but they want to make sure that they are keeping it thick and healthy. So we start with core aerating the lawn, which is going to do a few things. First of all, it's going to loosen the soil so that your existing lawn and the new grass that we're going to be planting can spread a nice deep root system. It's also going to allow oxygen and nutrients to get down further into the soil so it can be absorbed by your lawn. And it's also going to allow the seed that we spread on your lawn during the service to get a great contact with the soil, which is necessary to make sure that that seed germinates, sprouts, and develops eventually into a nice, beautiful, healthy turf. Now, if you're looking to fill bare patches in your lawn, this is not the service you'll want to consider. This is meant to just keep a generally healthy lawn, keep it healthy looking. If you've got bare patches you need to fix, we have a full service overseeding program which is designed specifically for filling in bare patchy areas in a lawn that needs some help. But if we can help you keep your lawn looking healthy with our aeration, seed, and fertilizer service, let us know and we'd be happy to help. Thanks.